Hi, this is Jack Peters from CTC. I thought we'd take a few minutes today and talk about mounting accelerometers, piezo velocity sensors, or loop power sensors on a curved surface, similar to this motor end bell, or possibly even on a bearing out in the field. Certainly want our accelerometers here to have a nice flat base to match up with them. And we do provide accelerometer installation toolkits with spot-facing tools. We have one tool that's high-speed steel, and we have one tool that's carbide tipped. The high-speed steel tool can be resharpened. You may not get as many spot faces out of it, but it can be resharpened. The carbide tip tool gets much more spot faces out of it, although it is a little more difficult to resharpen. Both of these tools are covered by the CTC unconditional lifetime warranty, so they can be returned if you have trouble with them. They come in sizes of 5/8 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, and we have tap drills for 1032, M6, quarter 28, and M8. You can enhance your tool set by purchasing the tap handle, the starter tap, and the bottom tap. And again, this is an enhanced kit, but it provides those taps that you need for the thread sizes. So remember, when mounting sensors on a curved surface, connect to confidence with CTC.